Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic with Maths. Yesterday we learned exercise 1.2. Today we are going to learn about exercise 1.3 and the introduction for exercise. In previous exercise we learned about multiplication of integers. Today we are learning properties of divisions, which is how to do division for integers. So, division of integers. What we are learning? Division of integers. We are learning about division of integers. Division of integers nothing but we'll do the division but with the negative and positive numbers like minus 3 divided by 2. How we get? I'll tell you. How we do for 3 divide of 2, we'll get 1.5, right? But here I given the negative sign. When there is a one negative sign in any number, either upper number or lower number, numerator or denominator, always the answer will be in the negative. When the two numbers when numerator and denominator is in negative sign, the negative sign will cancel. We get the answer in positive sign. Let's see this properties of division, division of integers. We all know there is no closed under division. So, and the next property is cumulative cumulative property. So, cumulative property means nothing but first one is cumulative property, which is nothing but A divided by B should equals to B divided by. It is possible for integers. Let's see. 2 by 2 by 4 equals to 4 by 2, which is 1 by 2, which is 2. Means 0.5 is equals to 2? No. So there is no commutative property. Again, second one. If you divide with a 0, A divided by 0 or 0 divided by A. When A is divided by 0, it is not defined. When 0 is divided by A, it is equals to 0. And the third one, when we divide an integer with the number 1, we'll get the same number. There is no change because 1, if you divide or if you multiply, we get the same number. But if you add means it changes. So we can write the formula A divided by 1 gives A. Let's start exercise 1.3. And the first sum is evaluate. We have to evaluate. And the first question is minus 30 divided by 10. How you divide 10 minus 30? First, leave the sign. First 10 3 is a 30. So answer we got as 3. I told you, if you have only one sign, like one negative sign in either numerator or denominator, the answer will be negative. And the second one, 50 divided by minus 5. I told you, if the negative sign is in the numerator or denominator, Always the answer will be in negative. So 5, 50. 5 tens are 50, right? So answer is minus 10. And the third question, minus 36 divided by minus 9. Here we have numerator and denominator have the same sign. Then it will cancel. We get the positive sign. So let's do the division. 9, 36. Sorry. Tell me, when we get the 36 in 9 table, 9 fours are 36. You can do like this also. 36 by 9. 3 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 ones are, and 3 fours. This is also a correct order. It is a simple way. It is like a basic level. Okay, the answer is what we get plus 4. Let's do the fourth sum. 49 divided by my minus 49 divided by plus 49. What they gave? Minus 49 by 49. 49, 49. Here numerator having the negative sign. So answer will be negative. Same number is there. So 49 ones are 49. 1 by 1 means 1. And the fifth sum. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. I told you. First we have to remove the brackets. So 13 divided by, to remove the brackets, what we have to do? Minus 2 plus 1. The bigger number is 2. The sign of a bigger number is negative. So from minus 2 you have to take 1. So it becomes 1. How you do? Minus 13 divided by 1. So denominator has a negative sign. So answer will be negative. 13 by 1 means 13. And sixth sum. 0 divided by minus 12, which means 0 divided by minus 12. What we get? I told you. When you divide with the, when you dividend is 0, dividing with the number, we always get answer as 0. Let's do the next sum. G. Minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. First, we have to remove the brackets. So, minus, always minus. 30 plus 1, 31. How you divide? Minus 31 divided by minus 31. Negative get cancelled. 31 ones are, 31 ones are. Then we get answer as 1. H. Minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. It given two divisions. So let's make two parts. First, minus 36 divided by 12. 12 ones are, 12 threes are. Here only numerator having a negative sign. So minus 3. Remaining with divided by 3. So minus 3, I'm sorry, plus 3. Only numerator having a negative sign. So 3 ones are, 3 ones are. Answer will be minus 1. In the next one, I. Minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So let's remove the brackets first. Minus 6 plus 1. 6 is the bigger number and the bigger number has which sign? Negative. So from 6 you have to remove 5. So it remainder is minus 1 divided by, here 2 is the bigger number. The sign of 2 is negative. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1. 1 minus minus cancel and we get answer as 1. Second sum is verify A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So they have given a two questions. First one, A equals to 12, B equals to minus 4, C equals to 2. First take a first one. A divided by B plus C. A is the 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Let's remove the brackets first. 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So 12 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 6. Denominator has a negative sign, so minus 6. Next thing. A divided by B plus A divided by C. A is 12 divided by minus 4. A is 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are, 4 threes are. Denominator has a negative sign, so minus 3. Plus 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 6 are, which is 6. Minus 3 plus 6, which is positive 3. Is it correct? The given equation it satisfies because minus 6 is not equals to 3. Let's do the second sum. What are the values they have given? A equals to minus 10, B equals to 1 and C equals to 1. First equation is A divided by B plus C. What is the value of A? Minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1, right? So minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So minus 10 divided by 2 ones are 2 fives are. So numerator having negative sign, so answer is minus 5. The next equation is A divided by B plus A divided by C. So what is the value of A? Minus 10 divided by 1 plus minus 10 divided by 1, right? So minus 10 divided by 1, which is always minus 10. And minus 10 divided by 1, which is always minus 10. Let's add these two. Minus 10. Minus into plus, always minus. So answer is minus 20. It satisfies the given equation? Yes, because minus 5 is not equals to minus 20. So let's see the third question. They have given the fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. First one is 369 divided by dash gives 369, which is like A divided by 1 gives A. So answer is 1. And the second one is minus 75 divided by dash gives minus 1. When we get the minus 1, when we divided the given numerator with the same number but in positive, which means minus A divided by A gives the minus 1. In the third question, minus 206 divided by dash gives 1. Here it is a negative. Here it is a positive. When we get the positive, when we divide it with the same number with the same sign, which means 206. In the fourth question, minus 87 divided by dash gives the 87, which is like minus A divided by dash equals to A. Here we have to get plus A. It is a negative, so we have to remove the negative sign. When we get it removed, when the numerator and denominator have the same sign, then only it removes. So which is minus 1. So minus minus will cancel. And the fifth question is, so dash divided by 1 gives minus 87. It is like dash divided by 1 gives minus a. When we get here minus a, when there is a here minus a. So the answer is minus 87. And the sixth question, dash divided by 48 gives minus 1. Like dash divided by a gives minus 1. When we get the minus 1 here, when it is a minus a. So it is minus 48. Eighth question is 20 divided by dash gives minus 2. With what number if you divide the 20 we get the minus 2? When we divide 20 with the 10. But they're asking about negative. So it is a negative 10. And the eighth question is dash divided by 4 gives minus 3. So let us assume it is x divided by 4 gives minus 3. So x equals to minus 3 into 4. The next value is minus 12. So 12 divided by 4 gives minus 3, which is minus 12. A fourth question is write 5 pairs. We have to write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b we should get minus 3. They have given, for example, 6 comma minus 2. So 6 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Denominator is negative. So which is minus 3. Let's write the 5 pairs. Like we have to get the 3. So 12 comma minus 4. Right? 12 by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are. We get minus 3. Second one. 15 comma 5 minus 5. 15 divided by minus 5 we get minus 3. 30 comma minus 30 comma 10 we get minus 3. 5 pairs, right? Next 36 comma minus 12 we get 18 comma minus 6. 21 comma 7. We have number of pairs. Let's move to fifth question. What they have given, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees above zero. The temperature at 12 noon. They have given the temperature at 12 noon. What? 10 degrees Celsius. Above zero means which is positive. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees per hour until midnight, it decreasing. It decreasing per hour. How much it is decreasing? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Till when it is decreasing? Till midnight means 12. It is a 12 p.m. 12 a.m. The between 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. we have a 12 hours. So for 1 hour it decreasing 2 degrees. So for 12 hours how many degrees it is decreasing? 12 into minus 2 which is minus 24 degrees Celsius. So they're asking at what time would the temperature at 8 degrees below zero? So time. We need to find the time when the temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Again, at 12 a.m., what is the temperature? So here we get for 12 hours, we get minus 24 degrees. For 12 a.m., which becomes, what is the temperature at 12 noon? Plus 10. And the temperature at the total temperature it decreased is minus 24 degrees Celsius. So 10 minus 24. The 24 is the bigger sign, bigger number, and the sign of a 24 is negative. From 24, you have to remove 10, which becomes 14 degrees Celsius. At 12 a.m., the temperature at 12 a.m. is minus 14 degrees Celsius. We need to find the time here. Time. We need to find time when it reaches 8 degrees Celsius. Let's do it. So at 12 p.m., it is 10 degrees. 1 p.m., 10 minus 2, which is 8 degrees, but we need it in negative. So 2 p.m., which is 8 minus 2, which is 6 degrees Celsius. 3 p.m., 6 minus 2, which is 4 degrees Celsius. 2 p.m., it is 4 minus 2, it is 2 degrees Celsius. 4 p.m., 2 minus 2, it is 0 degrees. And 5 p.m., 0 minus 2, which becomes minus 2 degrees Celsius. 6 p.m., minus 2 minus 2, minus 4 degrees Celsius. 7 p.m., minus 4 minus 2, which is minus 6 degrees Celsius. At 8 p.m., minus 6 minus 2, minus 8, sorry, 8 degrees Celsius. 1, 2, 3, sorry. It is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. At 9 p.m., it is reaching to 8 degrees Celsius. Time is 9 p.m. You can do it in another way. I'm telling here. We got at 12 a.m. it is 24 minus 14 degrees, right? They're asking about minus 8 degrees. So it is nearer, right? So at 12 a.m. it is 14 degrees means you have to add 2 degrees. Like 11 a.m. what will be the degrees plus 2, which becomes minus 10, 12. 10 a.m. minus 12 plus 2, which is minus 10. 9 p.m. Sorry. At 9 p.m. minus 10 plus 2, which is minus 8 degrees Celsius. I think this is very less time you take to do compared to this, right? Let's do the sixth sum. What is sixth sum? In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. If for every correct answer, how many marks they have given? Plus 3. And minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. For every incorrect answer, they have given minus 2. Then what they're asking? No marks for not attempting any questions. No marks for not attempting, which means 0. So, first, they have asked it 2 questions. Radhika scored 20 marks. How many marks Radhika scored? 20 marks. If she got 12 correct answers. How many correct answers? Correct answers equals to 12. 20 marks. Here 12 correct answers. So how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? They gave us 12 correct answers. Means 12 into what is the mark for every correct answer? 3 plus 3. 12 threes are 36. For correct answers, she got 36 marks, but she scored only 20. So subtract 36 from 36. Subtract 20 from 36. How much we get? Sorry. How much we get? 6 and 3 minus 2 is 1. 16 marks. Here, how many marks she got? Minus 16 marks. How you know how many questions she wrote incorrect? Means the marks divided by, I write to the marks divided by mark for incorrect. We get the number of incorrect questions. So 16 divided by minus. So there is a minus 2. So we are just dividing 2. 2 ones are 2 eights are. Number of incorrect questions. Number of incorrect questions equals to 8 for Radhika. And the second question they have given is another person is there, Mohini. Mohini scored minus 5. How many? Minus 5, which is less than 0 in the test. She got 7 correct answers. Correct answer how many? 7. We need to find out how many questions she attempted incorrectly. So, first, how many correct answers? 7 into the every correct answer value is 3. 7 threes are 21. Right? How many marks she got? Minus 5, which means 21. Here we subtracted 20. Here we have to subtract minus 5. Minus into minus means plus. 21 plus 5 is minus of minus 5, right? Minus into minus becomes plus 21 by 5. 21 plus 5, which is 26. So, number of incorrect equals to marks by mark for incorrect, which is 26 divided by 2, which becomes 2 ones are 213. Mohini attempted 13 incorrect questions. Radhika attempted 8 incorrect questions. The last question is an elevator descended into a mine shaft at the rate 6 meter per second. 6 meter per second. Speed is 6 meters, not the second, which is minute. Speed is 6 meter per minute. So, if the descendant starts from 10 meters above the ground, which means it is a lift, sorry, this is ground. 10 meters above the ground. How long will it take to reach minus 350 meters, which is downwards? So minus 350. It is asking from 10 meters above the ground. When we take it downwards, which becomes minus 10. So the distance equals to minus 350 plus minus 10, which becomes minus 350 plus or minus 10, which becomes minus 360 meters. They're asking time, right? So let's take speed equals to distance by time. What is the speed here? 6. But we are talking about downwards, which means negative. Distance is minus 360 meters. Here also 6 meters time. Here time equals to minus 360 meters by minus 6 meters. Cancel. 6 ones are 6 sixties are. So time equals to 60 minutes. I hope you all understand the exercise 3 of integers. If you have any doubt, please comment below. I'll answer you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel Magic with Maths. Thank you.